So you lift up on the tail. Kind of tricky, especially when I'm holding a phone. Let's try this side. So there you have it. He moves around. And he likes to eat.